Alright, already I'm changing out the pegs. See, these are the pegs right here. They're too skinny for the XXX. Same thing with the Suron. I had some spare pegs that I got off of Amazon that I was gonna put on my Suron. These right here. I'll put a link in the description. But I ended up getting warp 9 pegs for my Suron, and I had these laying around. And here's how they look. I mean, it's not bad. They work. Just needed something wider. Put them on the XXX. Here's a comparison, one side to the next. See how much wider they are than the stocks. Okay. Here's a stock. And here's what I replaced them with. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. Putting it in like this. There's a little bit of a gap, but it's gonna be all fixed with this. With this, it's gonna get all buttoned up pretty nicely. So, all right, here it is. Not too much play, but it seems to be in there pretty good. All right, let me go ahead and just put everything on. All right, here it is with the new pegs. Let me see if I can squeeze. All right, let me straighten it out.